Mr. President,
Yes, Mr. McClinton.
I'd like to make a motion, please.
Okay,
I'd like to nominate Dr. Casey Middlebrooks for president of the Hoover City Council.
Second.
okay, we have a motion and a second on vacating the chair and replacing Council President Lyda with Council President Middlebrooks. Any discussion on this item?
So, you recognize that Council President Lyda is not here tonight. And Mr. McClinton, Councilor McClinton, you committed to have a conversation with Mr. Lyda about this. Did you have that conversation?
No, I did not.
Where I come from, having leadership courage includes doing things like this when a person is present in the room. And I'm very much opposed to moving forward with this tonight.
Well, actions have consequences, and I believe Mr. Lyda has shown that already. And so I take no joy in doing this, but it needs to be done.
Mr. Driver, I did call Councilman Lyda today. We had a discussion. I didn't ask to be nominated. I appreciate the leadership that Mr. Lyda has given us. As for myself, and I'll recommend to any council member up here, I think we all are leaders. And I would never vote against myself to take any role that the council wishes for me to serve as. I did have a lengthy discussion with John. Like I said, I certainly appreciate his leadership over these past years, and if I'm so elected, I'll try to serve with honor and dignity and bring a little more togetherness to the city, to help the city move forward. And I will certainly rely on John to help me out with that, as all of you.
Any other discussion? Okay, we have a motion and a second before us. Okay, and you'd like a roll call vote on that? All right, I'll ask the clerk to call the roll.
Councilor Sweeney,
Abstain.
Councilor Driver, nay. Councilor Murphy,
Abstain.
Councilor Middlebrooks,
Aye.
Councilor McClinton,
Aye.
Councilor Posey.
Aye. So we have 3 ayes, 2 abstains, and 1 nay. So it does not carry. All right, well, let's move on to the consent agenda. As you all know, we meet for a work session every